Hello guys, myself Dr. Sambhaji. For this semester second, we see physics paper number 3rd, that is electricity and magnetism. For this paper there are two units. Unit first is nothing but vector analysis and unit second is electrostatics. The syllabus for first unit, that is vector analysis, is scalar and vector product, gradient, divergence, curl and its significance, vector integration, line, surface and volume integrals of vector fields, Gauss divergence theorem and Stokes theorem of vectors, that is only statement of these two theorems. This is the syllabus for first unit, that is vector analysis. Now we see syllabus of second unit, electrostatics. From this point, that is capacitance of an isolated spherical conductor, to this point, हा सिलेबस तुम्हाला काय केलेला आहे, कमी केलेला आहे ह्या सेमिस्टरसाठी. फक्त कुठून कॅपॅसिटन्स ऑफ एन आयसोलेटेड स्पेरिकल कंडक्टर टू लास्ट पॉइंट, दॅट इज पॅरलल प्लेट कॅपॅसिटर कम्प्लिटली फिल्ड विथ डायइलेक्ट्रिक. एवढा हा सिलेबस या परीक्षेसाठी नाही. म्हणजे कुठल्या सेमिस्टर सेकंड पेपर थर्ड साठी हा सिलेबस विद्यापीठाने कमी केलेला आहे. सिलेबस आहे फक्त किती, तर electrostatic field, electric flux, Gauss theorem of electrostatics, electric potential as a line integral of electric field, potential due to a point charge, electric dipole, uniformly charged spherical cell and solid sphere, and calculation of electric field from potential. Calculation of electric field from पोटॅन्शियल हा एवढा सिलेबस ह्या सेकंड युनिट मध्ये आहे. दॅट इज टोटल दिस सिलेबस फॉर सेमिस्टर सेकंड फिजिक्स पेपर नंबर 3. इथून लक्षात ठेवायचा, हा कॅपॅसिटन्स ऑफ आयसोलेटेड स्पेरिकल कंडक्टर टू लास्ट एवढा सिलेबस हा काय केलाय ह्या युनिट मधला कमी केलेला आहे. हा परीक्षेसाठी नसणार आहे. देन वी सी chapter first from physics paper number 3rd, that is chapter unit second from physics paper number 3rd, electrostatics. पहिल्यांदा आपण काय करू, दुसरे युनिट बघू, electrostatics. First we see about introduction of electrostatics. Electrostatics is a branch of physics which deals with study of static electric field produced by static electric charges. Right? Electrostatics is a branch of physics which deals with study of static electric field produced by static electric charges. Electrostatics plays very important role in daily life. The computer-based devices such as LCD, keyboard, touchpad works on the principle of electrostatics. Also, the function of electronic components such as capacitors and resistors, etc., is based on electrostatics. Also, electrostatics is used in agriculture activities like spraying to the plants, sorting seeds, and so on. This is the introduction of electrostatics. Okay. Now, first we see the first point from the chapter electrostatic field. Before this point, electrostatic field, we see some introduction about Coulomb's law. Some introduction about Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is electrical analog of Newton's gravitational law. Newton's gravitational law, you know all, that is F is directly proportional to Gm m1 m2 by r square. Okay, च्या सारखाच तुमचा काय आहे, Coulomb's law, which is also known as, that is Coulomb's law is electrical analog of Newton's gravitational law. This Coulomb's law can be stated as the force of attraction or repulsion. The force of attraction or repulsion between two stationary points is directly proportional to the product of magnitude of two charges and is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. That is, F is directly proportional to Q1, Q2. Suppose if you consider two charges, stationary charges, Q1 and Q2, and R with the distance between them, then the force of attraction or repulsion, that is F, is directly proportional to Q1, Q2, and is inversely proportional to R square. Force of attraction or repulsion, if there are same type of charges, then there is a repulsion, and there is if there are two opposite charges, that is positive and negative, then force of attraction. So force is there is attraction, force of attraction. Thus, force of attraction is directly proportional to Q1 and Q2 and is inversely proportional to R square. Therefore, we can write that is F is directly proportional to Q1 by Q2, Q1 Q2 by R square. This can also be written as that is F equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. F equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. Here, K is the constant of proportionality called as electrostatic force constant. K is called as electrostatic force constant. For free space, K is given by, for free space medium, K is given by, that is K equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. K equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 and K ची value किती आहे इथे 9 into 10 raised to 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. C square means coulomb square. K equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 and its value, this is SI unit, and this value is 9 into 10 raised to 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. Where this epsilon 0 is called as permittivity of free space, and its value in SI unit is epsilon 0 equal to PTI value 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. Value PTI epsilon 0 ची coulomb square per Newton meter square in Newton meter square. Okay, then we see the first point, that is electrostatic field. Electrostatic field, when an electric charge is placed at some point in space, then it produces a state of electrical environment in the surrounding space, which is called as an electric field. When an electric charge is placed at some point in space, then it produces a state of electrical environment in the surrounding space, which is called as an electric field. Now consider a point charge Q is placed in vacuum at the origin O. To test the existence of electric field at any point P, we simply place a small positive charge Q0, test charge Q0, called as the test charge at point P. If force F is exerted on the test charge, then we say that an electric field E exists at a point P, which is called as intensity of electric field. This can be shown by figure as, first consider a charge which is placed in vacuum at point, suppose O, that is plus Q, and then consider another test charge, that is Q0, at a distance R from O at a point P. Okay, then you experience force F at Q0, then we can say that is electric field is produced. The intensity of electric field at a point is defined as force experienced by a unit positive test charge placed at that point without disturbing the position of source charge. The intensity of electric field at a point is defined as force experienced by unit positive test charge placed at that point without disturbing the position of source charge. Okay, then the intensity of electric field E is given by E equal to काय F divided by Q0. F हा force expense होतोय test charge च्या ठिकाणी. That is intensity of electric field, that is E is given by force by test charge Q0. F by Q0. This is supposed equation first. The electric field is a vector quantity. Electric field is a vector quantity. Multiple choice ला लक्षात ठेवायचं. It is a vector quantity and the direction of electric field E is the direction of force F. Is the direction of force F. कशाच्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये असतं? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फोर्सच्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये. And its unit is Newton per coulomb. A unit of electric field is nothing but Newton per coulomb. That is N by C. It is assumed that a test charge Q0 should be small as possible, as that it will not influence the behavior of primary charges that are responsible for the field. काय म्हणतो बघा? It is assumed that a test charge Q0 should be as small as possible so that it will not influence the behavior of primary charges that are responsible for the field. Therefore, equation first can be written as, that is F equal to E equal to limit as Q0 tends to 0 F by Q0. काय केला? टेस्ट चार्ज Q0 काय असतोय? as small as possible so that it will not disturb the behavior of another charge, that is positive charge Q plus Q. Therefore, this equation also can be written as E equal to limit as Q0 tends to 0 F by Q0. This is suppose equation second. Then by using Coulomb's law, the force experienced by the test charge Q0 placed at a distance r from the point charge Q is given by, वरती आपण Coulomb's law बघितलाय त्यानुसार या F ची व्हॅल्यू काय येते? 1/4 pi epsilon 0. दोन चार्जेस Q0 डिस्टन्स किती आहे? r आहे r स्क्वेअर. ओके, that is F equal to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q0 by r square. ही F ची व्हॅल्यू वरती पुट आउट करा. Therefore, E equal to, that is electric field E equal to limit as Q0 tends to 0 F by Q0 equal to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q divided by r square, Q by r square into r cap. R cap is nothing but unit vector. R cap is nothing but काय आहे? युनिट वेक्टर. हा Q0 आणि हा वरचा Q0 काय होईल? कॅन्सल होईल आणि इक्वेशन कसं होईल? E equal to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q by r square into r cap. Okay, now where r cap is unit vector in the direction of Q to Q0. Right? R cap is the unit vector in the direction of Q to Q0. इथपर्यंत आपण बघून थांबू. नंतरच्या पिरियडला पुढचा पॉइंट बघू. ओके.